doing? Something a little bit different today because Daisy Duke needs new boots. When I say that, I've got a screw in my back tyre, so that's not good. So I use this company and I thought it'd be a great idea, especially for London, to showcase this little mobile company, and they're called Boots Tyres, and it's a mobile tyre company owned by Neil, and he's got a couple of vans that goes around London, and he fixes your punctures on your motorcycles or changes your tyres, even gives you new ones, and it's a mobile outfit, so it's perfect for when you get up in the morning to go to work and you find you've got a screw or a nail or nothing, even you just got a puncture. You're like, what am I going to do? So yeah, I just thought it was a great idea just to promote these guys. They do a great job, and Daisy Duke gets a new pair of boots. Not quite, but she gets fixed. Also, being a bike rider, it reminds you to check your tyres before you leave wherever you are. So just roll the bike and have a look, because this screw, it turns out, has been in there a little while. Not too long, but enough to sort of give it a little bit of wear and tear inside the tyre, as well as the actual access point. Which is a shame, but he's going to do his best to patch it and plug it. Hopefully he can, and then I can be on my way. But it's just a reminder to say, just give it a check, you know. Yeah, and I always check my tyre pressures as well before I go out for a ride. Really important on the road. On the track, you actually have less tyre pressure by about 6 to 10 pounds, depending on your road pressures. But yeah, you decrease it on the track because you want it soft, more tyre on the track to grip, but on the road you need them pumped up nice so you can turn safely. But yeah, it's bike stuff, and it's a good opportunity while it's on the bike stand, on the paddock stand, that I can give it a clean on the inside.
Pushes out towards it and it vulcanizes to the tyre, so you put the glue on it, and yeah, that patch will just stay as if nothing ever happened. So you can have confidence in riding and know that it's not a permanent, it's not a temporary one that's going to come out. So, and that's it.
Perfect.
Once that cuts off, that wears down as you ride, and it wear down with the tyre equally.
Yeah.
And eventually it just blends in with the rubber, so you wouldn't actually know it's there.
Yeah.
And you're allowed up to 3 before you have to get a new tyre, really. That's what we sort of go by.
Yeah, I don't think I'd want any more than 3.
No more than 3, no? Get this up to 230. It's ready.
Right, well, that's Daisy Duke. By the way, I've named her Daisy Duke. So Daisy Duke's got new boots. Not really, she's had a puncture repair. But this is Cameron. He's been kind enough to come and fix the bike for me. So I just wanted to say, because these guys are fantastic, Boots Tyres. You got Neil and you got Cameron. So Cameron's going to kindly just tell us very briefly kind of what they do on a mobile.
Yeah. So just me and my father-in-law Neil run a little small business called Boots, which some of you might have heard of. But we're mobile. We have 2 vans out, all in the Kent area, East London, over in Essex, all them areas around there. So mainly the southeast, but we do cover a lot of ground. We do punctures, tyres, chain and sprockets, bearings, and it's all supply and fit, real competitive prices as well. So be sure to give us a call for any of your needs for motorbikes. We also do cars and vans as well, so yeah, just give us a call for anything you need.
There you go, nice one. Thanks, Cameron.
Thanks.
There you go. This is Boots Tyres. Got my Ducati back because I need it tomorrow. But thanks again to Boots Tyres, you do a great job, and yeah, really appreciate it. There you go. Need my bike now, so I'm going to leave you to it. And for now, it's Darren and John, and I'll see you on the next one.